thought gone into like pup the name? Is there a reason why it's so short? Or like some of those commands, is there like a test or an eval that we can do to figure out if they're being triggered or not triggered? Or does that not even matter because it's the CLI?
It does matter to a degree.
Okay.
So why pup so short? One, I wanted a fairly short name. It just so happens we've already used the name DD several places, externally and internally. Uh, it could be easily confused. There is also an older version of our CLI that like hasn't. We've kind of mostly deprecated. It has a bunch of features that are very old
Right.
too, that aren't very useful. And so I wanted something playful to do it. And this originally started as an internal project and then later became something public. So I used the name Pup because it was cute and we're a dog company. And so that was the premise of the name. It was short though and repeatable, because if you look at like the tools that agents use today, the ones that are very popular and easy to type out, it knows about. So it knows about Git, it knows about JQ, even though it tends to write a Python script, but whatever.
Mhm.
It knows about GitHub, the GitHub CLI. So very, very common tools that are easy to recognize. It can pick up on quite well. Now, context usage, this is again where I was going back into like, if you have a deterministic output, your agents will actually understand the input outputs of this. It doesn't actually need to load all of this stuff in its context. It can actually like write its own scripting and post-processing stuff to minimize what it does. And so determinism here is more important to do that. And it's nice in that if you wanted to have the agent write you something repeatable like a report, you already have the command, and therefore it knows how to write the proper like bash script or Python script or whatever to wrap around that.
Perfect. Now that you're